Hey everyone, let's take a look today at different types of geometry modeling within Altair Inspire. We will be taking a look at NURBS modeling, specifically PolyNURBS modeling. So what is PolyNURBS modeling? PolyNURBS is a type of geometry modeling which utilizes a cage of faces, edges, and vertices which can be edited to create smooth and continuous surfaces or bodies. NURBS geometry can be applied for both solid bodies as well as surface bodies, so it is extremely flexible for advanced modeling. It is particularly useful in Altair Inspire for topology optimization, as it allows designers to create 3D CAD bodies from optimized geometry. This is a game changer because in many external tools, creating a usable shape from a topology optimization is very time consuming. So let's jump into the NURBS functionality within Inspire. I'm going to show you how to create a NURBS body both automatically and manually. Our first method is to utilize the automatic NURBS fit tool. Whenever you finish a run in Inspire, it will give you an option to fit a NURBS body automatically to the shape. In general, this method can work well as long as your optimized shape is continuous in volume. If there's any region which is not connected, you may need to create the NURBS manually. In our case, our bracket automatically creates the body seamlessly. Now let's move on to our second method, which is manual PolyNURBS creation. There are a number of great geometry commands in the NURBS ribbon of Inspire, but I'm going to start with the wrap feature. The wrap feature is a great way to wrap a PolyNURBS around an optimized shape or imported mesh. With the wrap feature, I can create multiple NURBS cages and even bridge NURBS bodies together. To start with the wrap tool, I left mouse button click as I hover over the red design space and drag the wrap tool. One of my rules of thumb when I use the wrap tool is I try and keep my cages at a manageable size. The wrap tool automatically searches for the optimized mesh boundaries and then creates the body. So if I were to create this cage in one mouse button click on one cage, it would get a fairly large diameter, which is not desirable. Thus, as you move through the wrap feature, I create several cages at once. To finish a cage, I just hit my left mouse button to end the operation. One of my other tips is to use the bridge tool to connect NURBS faces, as we see in these 4 legs of the bracket. It does this automatically and cleanly. The other great feature about NURBS is I can edit any side of the face or cage to make them larger. In my case, I'm going to extend all the NURBS into the bosses and then utilize the Boolean subtraction command to make them coincident to the bosses' faces. After extending them through the bosses, I can use the subtraction to ensure the faces are coincident. Now go out there and try using the NURBS functionality yourself. If you have any more questions on NURBS functionality or other Altair products, reach out to us at www.trueinsight.io. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.